Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that transform everyday beauty routines into something effortless and stylish. Today, we're focusing on a versatile makeup tool that promises both convenience and performance. The Kiko Milano Long-Lasting Eyeshadow Stick in shade 19 Dark Brown. Designed as a creamy pencil, it boasts a matte finish and claims blendable, long-lasting wear. Right off the bat, this eyeshadow stick stands out for its simplicity and portability. The creamy pencil formulation glides on smoothly, which makes application incredibly straightforward, even for those who are newer to makeup or looking for a quick, precise look. The matte finish is rich and pigmented, perfect for creating depth or defining the eyes without the need for brushes or extra tools. One of its core features is its blendability. While it sets quickly, you still have a short window to smudge or soften edges for a more seamless gradient. Using it in my routine, I found it particularly effective for both a subtle daytime look and more defined evening styles. The stick's texture feels creamy yet not greasy, adhering well to the eyelid and resisting smudging throughout the day. I tested it in different conditions, wearing it during a humid afternoon, under my usual eye primer, and even over bare skin, and it maintained its integrity without fading or creasing significantly. That said, for those with very oily lids, a primer is recommended to maximize longevity. The pros are clear: easy application, intense pigmentation, excellent blendability, and strong staying power. The pencil format is travel-friendly, making touch-ups on the go simple. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a more powdery or sheer finish, this might feel a touch heavy, and precision application near the lash line requires a steady hand to avoid minor smudges. In terms of value, the Kiko Milano Long-Lasting Eyeshadow Stick is well priced for the quality. Considering its creamy, long-wearing formula and strong pigmentation, it competes well with higher-end brands while being more accessible. When compared to other cream eyeshadow sticks in the market, Kiko Milano holds up remarkably well. The texture is smoother than some drugstore alternatives, and the color payoff is more reliable over time. The build quality is practical and straightforward. The twist-up pencil is sturdy, and the cap clicks securely in place, preventing accidental breaks or drying out. Kiko Milano's reputation in customer support is solid, though in my experience, the product's reliability leaves little need to reach out. There haven't been recent updates or reformulations, but the formula already meets current industry standards for creamy, long-wear eye makeup. For those on a tighter budget seeking a similar result, other cream shadow sticks offer comparable shades and blendability, but Kiko Milano's combination of pigmentation, texture, and lasting power makes it a smart choice if you're looking for consistency and ease of use. Overall, the long-lasting eyeshadow stick in dark brown delivers what it promises: a creamy, highly pigmented, matte shade that blends beautifully and stays put throughout the day. It's ideal for makeup lovers seeking quick application without sacrificing quality or depth. If you appreciate versatile, fuss-free products that perform well in real-world conditions, this stick is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this eyeshadow stick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.